Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the workbook and navigating to the exact sheet and cell where you want the menu or headers fixed. Click the cell below the row and to the right of the column you want to lock. That position defines the frozen panes. Once done, check that visible rows and columns match what you need frozen. Make sure to save now so you can easily undo if the layout isn't right. You then go to the View tab and open the Freeze Panes menu. This is where the action happens. Select Freeze Top Row if only the top headers matter, or First Column for left side labels. For a custom lock, choose Freeze Panes after selecting the cell that marks the boundary. X cell will freeze rows above and columns left of that cell. This gives you scrolling freedom while important headers remain visible for context. Finally, scroll vertically and horizontally to confirm the frozen area stays visible. That verifies success. If the result isn't what you expected, go back to View and choose Unfreeze Panes, adjust your active cell, then reapply Freeze Panes. If freezing seems disabled, make sure Split is turned off and the sheet isn't protected. Those states block freezing. Once fixed, save the workbook so your frozen.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.